Welcome back to End of Trading on YouTube, and I have a great video for you today, and it's called Darwinex Zero, how to complete the trading stage and get DarwinIA Silver. Plus, I've got discount codes for my viewers, so stay tuned. Also, if you'd like to follow along with me, make sure you use my partner link in the description, and that'll be telling Darwinex Zero that End of Trading sent you and encourage me to make future videos. And I'll also be completing live trading throughout this video. And if you haven't watched my Darwinex Zero review, make sure to watch that after this video, where I show you everything you need to know about Darwinex Zero, and I'll leave the link in the description for that video too. Before we get started, what does Darwinex Zero do? So Darwinex Zero is a brand new service offered by Darwinex, where the trader uses a virtual account connected to a real-time market but does not require investors to trade with their own capital. So essentially, Darwinex Zero D0 offers a risk-free alternative to the Darwinex Classic site, where you have to put your own capital at risk, and the minimum to start that is $500. But remember, you can always migrate your track record to Darwinex Classic and develop it from there when you're ready to trade with a real account. And this will save your monthly D0 subscription. But remember, I have discount codes for you guys, and I'll be going through that later on in the video, or you can check the description for the discount code. So currently in my account, I have 9 trading days, and you need a risk calibration. I have 35%. Start trading with virtual funds in the training stage to produce trading signals so that Darwinex Zero can package your strategy as a Darwinex index. They will need 20 risk evaluant trading choices over 10 training days to train and collaborate their risk engine. So remember, the risk engine sits between your MT4, MT5 trading accounts and your Darwinex index. And basically, you need to do 20 trades, just trade like normal in the training stage over 10 days, at least 10 days, but you can go further than that as long as you get the 2 of these to 100%. Remember guys, so looking for traders that will return on investment of 1 to 2% every month in the mid to long term. And I'm pretty much on target with that. I have a really low max drawdown of 0.1%, and my return over the past nearly a week is 0.23. So if you multiply that by 4, that would be nearly 1%. So I've been growing. It went up to 0.3% return. Slightly come down yesterday. So here are the trades I closed so far. So I've only closed 3 trades with a profit of $111.85. Remember, you have 100,000 in your virtual account, so you should aim for 1 to 2,000 profit per month. If you keep your risk low and your max drawdown low, you'll be on your way to getting investments. And if you watch my previous video for my trading strategy, I'm really only completing this to show you guys how the system works, and I'm not even trading this every day. So if I can make that return without even trying, that just shows you how easy this system is. And definitely with the risk engine in there, it's great. So if you go haywire with your trading, the risk engine will kick in and stop your portfolio from losing money. So guys, here are my open trades. I'm going to start closing the ones in profit so I can get around 20 risk evaluating trades to complete my trading stage. Here we have Nvidia, and it's a profit of 41, and I'm going to close that now. Okay guys, it's the next day, and you can see here I've got my trading days are complete, but my risk collaboration is still at 40%, so I need to do more trading. So stock market just opened. I'm going to close these trades now. Next Era Energy, and that's a profit of over $8. So just to quickly go over what their website says, what's the trading phase and how do I complete it? During the trading phase, you must complete 20 risk evaluating trade decisions over a minimum of 10 trading days, as without this we don't have sufficient information to analyze your trading signals and collaborate your Darwin. Now I have done 20 trades over 10 days, but I still have to do more trading. But they say there's no requirement in the terms of our return. Our system just needs enough information as measured the number of trades over the trading days to create the Darwin. So I really opened all them trades on the 4th day, and I just closed them like on the 9th and 10th day. So maybe they need more active trading than that to collaborate the Darwin index with the risk engine. So upon meeting this criteria, your Darwin will be created automatically, and you will precipitate in the 4th edition of DarwinIA Silver. Now this is important. No minimum return is required to complete the trading phase, but there is a time limit of 90 days. Great thing about Darwinex Silver is to send you an email every day of all your trades and all your open trades and how much they are in profit or in loss. So they're all the trades I closed yesterday. And what I'm going to do is buy exactly all these trades again that I sold in profit to complete my trade training phase. So as you can see, guys, I opened up them 13 more trades, back to 18 trades opened, and there's my stats so far. Return is 0.19, max drawdown is 0.15. So I'll update the video tomorrow after one more trading day and see how much my risk calibration has increased. So stay tuned. Now, just a reminder, you don't have to invest your own capital, but the Darwinex Zero is a subscription model. So there's a one-time registration fee of €95, and this covers your training phase and then 1 month of DarwinIA Silver. After that, it's 38 per month. So I've teamed up with Darwinex Zero to offer you a €20 Darwinex Zero discount code, and that will give you €20 off when you sign up. So it'll only cost you €75 for the training stage and 1 month of DarwinIA Silver. I will leave that discount code in the description also a few days later. Okay guys, I'm happy I've got my 10 trading days done, but I still have my risk calibration at 79%. Now, my overall return is 0.19, and my max drawdown, which is very low, is 0.25, and you can see there the stats like that. Now, it's taken me longer than 10 days to complete the training phase, but for the first 7 days, I just bought 20 stocks, and I didn't really do anything with them, but I've taken out the NASDAQ and the S&P positions, and I'm just trading these 18 stocks here. So you can see all them there, and that's the amounts of the positions I'm holding. So depending on your trading style will depend how many days it takes you to complete this training phase and the amount of trades you do per day. But to speed things up, I have doubled my investment in these 18 stocks. Now, these 18 stocks here only added up to 9,000, but I've increased this to double buy each one of these, okay? So in my portfolio, I'm not buying 33 of American Airlines, I'm buying 66 of them, and with Amazon, I'm buying 8. So that will mean that it'll be about 18,000 that I am in trading with, which will speed up the process here, as I'm buying 2 trades. So 1 trade of 33 of American Airlines and then another trade of 33. And what I'm doing is, and really guys, I'm not spending any time researching these stocks or doing any technical analysis. I just picked these stocks to show you the process of Darwinex Zero. And this video is going to be bringing you through from the training stage into DarwinIA Silver, which I'm looking forward to, guys. And if I can do this without even trying, I think it's going to be very easy for you and lots of potential there for traders. So I'm at 79, so it should be soon finished. So what I'm doing is every night I'm just logging in and I'm selling all the stocks that are in profit. You can see here I sold all these positions last night and it was a profit of $73. And what I'll do tonight is I'll log in again and I'll buy back all these positions to make up the total amount of positions that I'm holding in my portfolio, which is now 36 because I'm double buying everything. And then if any of my positions are in profit tonight, I will sell them. Okay guys, I'm happy to say that my risk collaboration is at 95%, so I'll hopefully finish that today. My trading days is already at 100%, and you can see my return is 0.26 and max drawdown is 0.25. And remember guys, if you are going to sign up, I've left a €20 off discount coupon in the description. Here it is here, and you just add it in there and click apply. And I just noticed down here the trading stage usually takes about 2.5 weeks. So it has been about 2.5 weeks since I started this process. So to try something different, I downloaded the MT5 trading software for Windows, and I'm going to close all the trades that I have in profit. So you have fees, 2 fees here, $16 and $14, Colgate $13, $11, $6, 5, 4. Close that. It's in profit. It's in profit. It's in profit. It's in profit. And I'll just watch these trades today, and as they go into profit, I will close them. Okay, so I'll keep an eye on this throughout the day and see if this goes up. It usually updates every hour, and see do I get to 100% today. It's now Friday, so by Monday, my DarwinIA Silver will be ready to go. Okay, guys, congratulations. You have completed the training stage. So I just completed the training stage yesterday, which was Friday, and it said it was 3 hours and 2, and it said it was 3 days and 2 hours away for my DarwinIA Silver to be created. As you can see here, here's my stats, 0.33%, max drawdown is 0.25. You can see here on the graph, and I also got an email to say that you have finished your training stage. Okay, very important here, become a signal provider. So you have to accept the terms and conditions to precipitate in the DarwinIA and be eligible to get capital allocation as soon as possible. So read the terms and conditions. Guys, when you have time, you should go through all of these terms and conditions, and then you say accept. And that's it, guys. Stay tuned. For July 3rd, I'll be making a video on how my DarwinIA Silver has been created, and that's the name of it, XLGT. It sounds like a motorbike. It's very cool, and it'll be interesting to see if the assets in my current portfolio that's left over from the training phase will be brought into the DarwinIA Silver stage, or it's all reset. Okay, guys, exciting times. My Darwin index has been set up. That's the name, XLGT, and I'm automatically precipitating in the DarwinIA Silver. You can see it's active there, and this is my current quote. So you start off with a quote of $100 for your index, and that will go up and down depending on your returns. You can see here I was going to make a new video. My returns are actually larger than what I thought, but also my max drawdown was larger than I thought. So 1.56 return and max drawdown at 1.91, and you get lots of cool stats here. You can see that I went up to 1.6 and I finished off high there on 1.56. There's some really cool stats here, and I'm going to go through that on the next video, but you can see here that it even shows you the return for each day and your worst days, which weren't too bad. And you see my position is 415. I haven't done any trading yet, but just to point out that all your stats for the training phase goes into your Darwin index and your precipitation into the DarwinIA Silver. So all of my trades that I didn't close in the training stage are still open. You can see some of them are in profit and some of them are in loss. So just keep that in mind. Remember, you have to get a rating of 75 to get the minimum allocation of 25,000. That's accumulative, so you can get that over 3 months. You can see my rating is 415 out of 1,501 people precipitating. So you can see here the rating calculator. I click in there and it'll show you what my current position is. So my current rating is 59.30, and you can move this dial here to show you the expected return you should get compared to my max drawdown, and you can move this here like that. But you can see here I need 3.32% return this month with this max drawdown to qualify for that 25,000, and that would put me in the position of 82. Remember, you can get 25,000 guaranteed if you meet the minimum rating of 75, and up to 250,000 if you outperform the other traders. And I got a cool email, just an update of June. Here's the first place, so he gets 250,000. He was top ranked. So his return over 5 months was 0.07, which is low, but his return in June was massive, 18.49, and his max drawdown was minus 3.57. Now second place got 185,000. His return over 5 months was 6.54. Return in June was 9.28, and max drawdown is 2.18. And then third place, an allocation of 140,000. His overall return in 5 months was 17.19. Return in June was 7.51, and his max drawdown was quite high at 6.51. But because he got that massive return there, that's how he came up on the rankings. But you can see here there was over 6 million euros allocated in June for the DarwinIA Silver, and anyone that had the over 75 rating got to 25,000, and the final amount assigned soared to 6.365 million. 1,266 traders in the DarwinIA Silver program this month, and 158 of them got allocation of funds, with 69 achieving an allocation in their first month. So 69 people got an allocation in their first month, so very possible. This guy here, he managed to get 7th place with a max drawdown of 10.16, which is high, but he managed to get a total accumulation of 155,000. Remember, it's over 3 months. You can get an allocation of funds every month. And if you want more details, you come here to DarwinIA, and you can see all of the top there that I just pointed out, and you can come in and check their stats of allocation, positions, all of that. You can scroll down this list into last place here. This guy is 158. ELBW is his index name, and he got 75.01, and he got the 25,000 allocation, and a few people just got the allocation there. Now this person missed out by 0.1 0.1, so he doesn't get any money. But wow, that's so close, guys. Maybe on the last day they lost money or whatever, but just keep that in mind. So how does your index get rated? So on 3 of these values, so your current calendar month return, your cumulative 5-month calendar return, if you have them stats, and your maximum drawdown across the current month and preceding 5 calendar months. So your return over your max drawdown, that's how it's calculated. Stock market isn't open yet, but I'm going to be starting my trading soon, and I'm going to go over all of this dashboard in my next video, which I'll be updating you in 2 weeks time. I'm going to record the whole process of me trading in the DarwinIA Silver program. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you stay tuned, because in 2 weeks I'll be showing you how I'm getting on my trading. So I'm going to complete my portfolio today. Remember, I have the €20 off voucher in the description, and like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you soon.